everyone can eat as much as they want. So I'll sell all the charcoal I can.
How thoughtful.
Stop at some point. But whatever happens, Nezuko's the only one who's still... A sword? Why are you protecting her? I promise I'll make everything right! Please! Just let her go! Please don't do that! I'm begging you. Please. Don't kill my little sister. Please don't do it. I'm begging you.